Alright guys, so I am walking across the bridge. This is 145th Street Bridge in Manhattan, 149th Street in the Bronx. And as you can see, over here it's nice and peaceful, a little dirty. Let's see if I can get you guys a good picture. Oh well, you're gonna have to see through the fence. Man, it's blurry. I was trying to show you guys that they've built up a park over here. It's really nice. I know that little dome there are times when they have an event. Probably will have to walk through that park coming back. I don't like taking the bus because it drops you off across the street, and the street to cross is not that safe. Let me just show you real quick. The bus drops you off all the way down there underneath the highway. Oh, sorry. There's people coming, so but this is the number 19 bus that comes back from the Bronx to Manhattan. Anyway, and you can take that up to 149th Street. A little further up is a big shopping area. But I don't know if you guys can see. This is a big street. There's a lot of turning. There's like 2 lanes on both sides, 3 lanes, but 1 extra lane sometimes for the bus. So I don't like taking the bus going across. I like to walk the bridge and come back. Plus, when you take the 2 train is like way up the hill. So I just basically just take the 3, or I'll take the 2, get off on 145th Street, and then I just walk across to go to the Bronx. The other way to get to the shopping center is to take the number 4 train on the D and get off at the old Yankee Stadium. Alright, so yeah, I'm gonna be doing the haul a little later, so I just want y'all to see. Okay guys, I finally made it to Boogie Down Food Hall. They dressed up for Halloween. Come in and get bubble tea. Oh, and you have Rockstar chicken. Too many people reviewed that already. Noodle crab, teriyaki. Burger Company. What is this? This is El Greco. AS Cucina. Oh, that's. Oh no, she's closed. I wanted to try her food. Alright, so we have Gracie's. I heard the jollof rice here is good, so I'll probably come back. Then they have rice, peas, and change. Let's give you the menu. I hope y'all can see. And then juicy patties. So hit up all three of them and let y'all know what they taste like. So guys, this is the menu for Gracie's Culinary Specialties. She told me that the fish and beef is an extra $2. So, which is understandable because it takes a little longer to cook that. And then this is rice peas. She said the soup changes daily, so it's not going to be the same every single day. They do deliver in Manhattan, both Gracie's and rice peas and tins. But unfortunately, Juicy's Patties, you gotta walk over the bridge. So this is where you go upstairs. There's more seating up there apparently. And then I just realized there's another restaurant here called Taco Mix that we can have. They said that this was also pretty good. And yeah, that rounds out what they have here. I just got me 2 beef patties. Juicy's Patties is originally from Jamaica. Yeah, I'm disappointed that Nana's Vegan is not open. And I don't see anything here to say like what her hours are. Let me see. Yeah, it doesn't say what her hours are. Alright, so I'm waiting for my food. I'll check you guys out back later. Alright, so decided to get some bubble tea 101. And as I'm going to try and see if I can close up on the menu. I saw Dulce de Leche and I said yes, I gotta go try it. Another time I'll go ahead and try that pina colada. But yeah, they got a lot of different flavors as you can see here. And you can choose, seems like different types of patterns. Like I normally just get the boba, which is tapioca pudding, or tapioca balls, but you can, add different types of stuff as you can see. And then over here, they also have coffee, lemonade, and regular tea as well as hot chocolate over here. Alright, so I'll let you guys know. Oh yeah, they have jelly. I've never tried the jelly before. But yeah, this is bubble tea 101 in the Bronx Terminal Market, 4th floor. Come check them out. So guys, I am across the street from Bronx Terminal Market, about to head into Mill Pond Park. So if you look directly across the street, you'll see Applebee's and you'll see the mall. 4th floor is the food court. So let's come on in. This is fairly new. It wasn't here the whole time I've been born, honestly. They built this relatively new. Back there, they have people playing, they have courts back there. Here, they're using this little area for skating. You pretty much, in New York, you use the park for whatever you want to use it for, right? Now that white tent there in front of us, they normally use that for the Universal Soul Circus. But it's in the city, but it's not in the city as of right now. But I just want to show you, this is new. The park's been around for a few years, but there are certain parts of the park that are new, and it seems like they're going to develop it every year. But you can see they playing tennis here. The tennis courts was not there before. And you have the little kids in the sand. I don't want to, violate them. Then they have this nice, lush greenery here. This area, from once I've known it, It was more of an industrial area. There may have been a time before I was born when they had apartment buildings here, but I know that they never had them like, you know, this close to the water, right? So if you look over there in the distance, they were using that area over there for skating. However, I know that a lot of times, like before they developed it and made this park what it is right now, they had a festival in here. As a matter of fact, I think the festival was last year, where they were honoring hip hop. That's what was done in this park. And if you look in the beginning, before you turn the corner, you'll see a big block that says the home of hip hop, because hip hop did start. Hip hop, rap, everything started right here in the Bronx. Okay, so I'm gonna just go to the other part of the park, because I think when I was walking across the bridge, you guys probably wasn't able to see what I was able to see, because the fence sort of got in the way. That apartment building, honestly, it has been a while since I've been up here, but the last time I was here was last year. However, that building was not there. That building is definitely new to the area. Let's go check it out. Okay, so here you have a large space. I did see a sign saying something about no barbecuing or whatever, but you know, sometimes they'll just say that during like certain times of the year, but they'll let people barbecue at other times, you know, as far as bringing their own barbecue, that is. And the same thing with picnicking. I believe that there was a sign that said no picnic, but I think that's only just for like right now. I don't think that's for like forever. Because look, they have places where you can barbecue and where you can sit down and eat. So that's how I know that that is not for like ever or like the whole time. That's only for a part of the time. Okay, when you look out across the water there, that is the expressway, FDR. I know they renamed it to something else. I don't remember what it was renamed to. And then that's Manhattan over there. And the bus station is that little building there. Before they built that bus station, you could see straight up to St. Nicholas Park in Manhattan and Harlem. So yeah, Harlem is not too far from here at all. As a matter of fact, when you cross the bridge, you are in Harlem. So this here is the park that they have that you can enjoy. Oh, I didn't realize the Hip Hop Museum. So let me go check that out and see if it's open. I don't think so though. I think they only open during like certain events. But I'm gonna check that out.